Euclid Public Library has several resources that parents can use to help educate their child this fall. Visit euclidlibrary.org, mouse over Services, and click on Databases. There are categories on the left side, a list of all of the databases alphabetically down the middle, but you can also sort by the name of the database. Today we'll be taking a deep dive into InfoHio, so we'll click on I and use this resource. InfoHio is available to patrons across the state of Ohio, regardless of where they have their library card. There are resources by grade, resources by subject, beginning readers, career exploration and planning, as well as summer learning. If you click on resources by grade, you'll see 4 different options for age or grade ranges, and you can click on that to see resources available for your specific child's needs. If your child needs help with a subject, you can click on resources by subject, click on that subject, and see resources that are specific to that subject. There are several resources that we'd like to highlight today. The first is BookFlix. BookFlix pairs a DVD production of a picture book with a nonfiction book. Do You Have a Question is a resource through I Wonder, and if your child has a specific question, they'll be able to click through and see websites that will assist them with this. These are curated by teachers and librarians. Finally, there's the Literary Reference Center. This is great for high school students who are working on research papers or essays or things like that. These are great resources for that. If you need any additional assistance, please call the library at 216-261-5300 or click on Chat with us in the top left-hand corner of any page on our website. We would love to help you.